Okay guys, sorry for the late posting of this video. I had run out of time and I had to go tutor for a few hours first. And so now I'm home and I'm going to do some of the problems from the second half of the page. If you're still working on those, I'm going to skip around a bit, okay? So it will make less homework for you if you have both pages of the fraction review to do. So I'm going to first do the first one that's right over here. All right. And I'm going to put that here. I have 5, 12 plus 4 over 5. Remember, I like to set it up vertically in order to find a common denominator. So remember, if you don't know which common denominator for 12 and 5, you can always look at your multiplication chart. Go under the row of 12 and 5. So of 12 and 5 until you find a common number, which should be, let's see, 12 and 5. 60. Yep, looks like 60 will be the first one for that. So you can use a common denominator of 60 for that. There we go. 60. 12 will go into 60 5 times. Remember, divide and multiply. 12 times 5. 60. Wait a minute. 60 by 12. 5. Oops, that should be a 5. Whoops. Here we go. 12 and 65 times. 5 times 5, 25. 5 will go in 60 12 times. 4 times 12. 4 times 12 will give you 48. And we're going to add these two. Use a calculator if you need to. 48 plus my 25 will give me 73 over 60. But remember, we can't keep it like this, right? So what you need to do is 60 will go into 73. You can look and see that's only going to be one time. So I will now subtract. You have 13 left over. So this is 1 and 13 over 60. Okay? That was an addition problem. I would now do a subtraction problem. 9, 14, and 3, and 7. Remember, with addition and subtraction, you have to find the same bottom number. And if you're not sure, use multiplication chart. Looking for under a 7, your two denominators, 7 and 14. So 7 and 14. Here's my 7 column. Here's my 14. And as you can see, the first number they have in common is 14. So we'll use that. 14, 14. 14 will go to 14 one time, multiply. 7 will go to 14 two times, multiply. There it is. Now subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. Keeping the same bottom number. 3 over 14. Okay. Now I'm going to do actually some of the ones that are on the bottom. Let's do some of these. Okay. Let's do this multiplication one that's right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I like to first see if I can reduce. Let's see if we can reduce the green line, a 40 and a 15. Try to find a column that has 40 and a 15 in it. Remember, not using the first row though. I said column, but I really meant row. Remember, you're looking for a 40 and a 15. There's no 15 here. I'm going to start with a small number. Starting with a small number first in the multiplication chart makes things easier. Here's a 15, but is there a 40? No, can't use that. No 15 here. Here's a 15 and a 40. So I can reduce that to 3 over 8. The 15 will change to a 3. The 40 will change to an 8. So 15 will change to a 3. 40 will change to an 8. Let's look at a purple line. An 8 and a 12. Okay. There's 8 and there's a 12. 4 over 6. But 4 and 6 are two even numbers, so I know it's going to reduce again. So check another row. 8, look at that. 12. 2 over 3 instead. 8 will change to a 2 and 12 will change into a 3. So 8 will change into a 2. 12 will change to a 3. And multiply straight across, numerator to numerator. 8 times 3 is 24. 2 times 3 is 6, but it's improper. So you know you can't leave it that way. Okay? 6 will go into 24. How many times? 6 will go into 24 4 times even. Okay? So there's no remainder on that one. So answer altogether, no remainder. So this complete answer is just the whole number of 4 for this one. All right, let's do this one. Remember, when dividing fractions with a whole number, just put a 1 underneath. But then we have to change it to multiplication problem. Keep the first one the same, change to multiply, and flip. See if you can reduce either this way or this way. Now for the green line, I already have a 1 in here, so I know that's not going to reduce. But will 24 and 72 reduce? That's what we're going to look for next. A 24 and a 72, is that going to reduce? Let's see if we can find a row with a 24 and a 72. I'm going to first look for 24. Here's 24, but no 72. Okay? Sorry about that. Now, here's a 24. Oh, and a 72. So I have 8 over 24. But 8 and 24 are two even numbers, so I know there's another row that will have the same thing. Here's 24. There it is, 72. So now I have 6 over 18. Again, two even numbers, so there's got to be another row. Looking for 24. Not in this one, but here's a 24. Is there a 72? Why, yes, there is. So now I have 4 over 12. Again, two even numbers. 4 and 12 are both even, so there's got to be another row. No 24 in here. But here's a 24 and a 72. So now I have 3 and 9. But 3 and 9 are multiples of each other. So that will reduce again. So try it one more time. No 24, no 24, no 24. But here's a 24. And there's that 72. So now I have 2 over 6, two even numbers. So it's going to reduce again. Looking for a 24, not here. Looking for 24, no 24, no 24. Well, I can tell I'm running out of 24s here. You see this? Except down here. 24, look at that. 72. 1/3. Hope that was okay to follow. That took a lot of time to try to reduce. Okay. So our answer again was 1/3. 24 will change into 1. 72 will change into 3. All right, so 24 will change into 1. 72 will change into 3. Now multiplying straight across. 1, 25 times 3 is 75. There you go. Going for another. So look at this. This one, they already have the same bottom number, so you don't have to do much with this one at all, except with the adding. So let me just go ahead and set them up this way. 19 over 8, okay? And actually, the best way to do this, since they have the same bottom number, you know this is going to be 8, right? You know the whole number is 2. Add the two top numbers, though. That's 19. 20, 1 to 2 to 3, 24. Now, what problem do we have? Top heavy. So, forget about this right now. Change this. 8 into 24. How many times will 8 go into 24? 3. If you notice, there's nothing left over. So now I just have a whole number 3. So guess what I do with these two? That's right, add them together. So the complete answer, 2 plus this whole number 2 plus this whole number 3 will give you 5. Final answer for this is 5. 2 more. Not matching bottom numbers, so I'm going to have to set those up. I'm going to go set these up over here. 13 and 9 minus 5 and 18. If I look in the multiplication chart, I will realize that 18 is a number that I can use. 9 will go into 18 2 times. So do your 2 times 13 is 26. 8, we're going to 8 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we can subtract. 26 minus 5 is 21 over 18. Guess what? Top heavy. So 18, 21. It's going to go one time. 18, 19, 20, 21. With 3 left over. So the answer for this one will be 1, 3 over 18. But 3 and 18 are multiples of each other. 3 will go in itself 1 time. 3 goes into 18 6 times. So 1 and 1/6 is your answer for this one. 1 for you, so it reduces the amount of homework that you have. This multiplication one. Remember, multiplication, dividing, you don't have to have a common bottom number, but you might want to look to see if you can reduce. All right, take a look at the green line. Those are not going to reduce. But how about 17 and a 68? I'm not sure. So let me see if I can find a row with a 17 and a 68. All right. No 17 here. No 17 here. No 17. No 17. Nope. 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 And we're going to keep going to see if I find a 17. There's my first 17. And would you look at that? A 68. So 1 over 4. The 17 will turn into a 1. 68 will turn into a 4. Okay. 17 change into a 1. 68 will change into a 4. Multiply straight across. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 times 5 is 5. But it's improper. Top heavy. So that will equal 3, 1/5. I hope those help you out. All right, so I did the last 2 rows, and hey, look at that. I still have a few more minutes on this video, so let me see what else I can do. Let's do this one. Okay, so wait, did I do that one? Yeah, I think we did. So those last 2 rows are done. Let me go back to the first set, since there's a few minutes left on this video. Okay, how about this? Okay, change this into an improper. Okay, 3 times 10 is 30, plus 9 is 39. So really I'm going to get 39 over 10 plus 4 over 5. Find a common bottom number. Look in your chart if you need to, but I know it's going to be 10. 10, we're going to 10 one time. 1 times 39 is 39, so that one stayed the same. 5, we're going to 10 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Add them together. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 5, 46, 47. So I got 47 over 10. But that is top heavy and proper. You know you can't leave it that way. With 7. So my fraction should be 4. 7 is the new numerator. 10 the bottom number. So 4 and 7/10 for this one. Let's see. Okay. All right. So maybe I can squeeze in one more. Can I squeeze in that one? Not sure. Let's try. I'm going to keep going until the time on the video runs out. This one, you need to change this into an improper first, right? So if I do that, I have 8 times 4. Multiply those two. Add the numerator. That's 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is 35 over 8. Divided by, bring this one back over. 25 over 32. Remember, when dividing, flip it. Okay? See if you can reduce. Okay? 25 and 35 are going to reduce. I can reduce those at least by 5. My video is about to run out, guys, so 5 will go into 25 5 times. 5 will go into 35, 25, 30, 35, 7. Multiply straight across, or see if these will reduce as well. I'm going to stop here. Reduce this, then multiply straight across. I will see you in the morning. Love you guys. Bye.